It has been a privilege attending you at Mother's Paradise School, and since you've been serving Panipat for more than 2 decades, and so at the recent conclave at Mother's Paradise, we started the School of Tomorrow, where we actually help parents in making the right decision, because the decisions are shaping their life. The 21 hours that are spending at home with the parents, the kids that are spending, we are helping the kids out there to actually increase the learning capacity. And recent at the conclave, we started also the open house, where we collaborate personally with the parents at our school, where we take feedback not in terms of just suggestions, but taking examples of activities and enhancing those activities into teaching methodology, where parents feel proud indeed to be a part of Mother's Paradise, not just for the sake of as parents, but for the sake of being a teacher also and fulfilling that notice. These are the two things that recent that we have started off, and it has picked up well. Sir, now coming down to you. So what schools did you attend during your lifetime?
What schools means type of schools or that?
So like from your pre-primary school, you're at the place of birth.
In those days there was no concept of pre-primary schools.
Okay.
We started from one first time.
Class first.
And then in vernacular terms we used to call it kachi pakki.
Kachi pakki.
Kachi pakki. उसको pre-nursery we are calling pre-nursery or that LKG and UKG. We used to call kachi pakki. Then first, second, third.
Okay.
Then that was the used to be primary school up to fourth.
Okay.
Then from fifth it used to be a high school, middle and high school.
Middle.
From fifth to eighth it was used to be called middle school. Then from eighth to 10th it used to be called as high school. High school. Then from 10th onward it was college. That was the system during those days. I was born in 55, so I am talking about these.
Just after 10 years of partition.
Only 8 years.
8 years of partition.
So that was that used to be the pattern of these studies. Before first there used to be kachi pakki, then up to fourth standard this was the primary education. Then from fifth to eighth it used to be called middle schools or middle education. Then from 8th to 10th it was high school.
So how is that education of that kachi pakki and the middle school and high school have helped you during your graduation period of? So did you decide of being a doctor at a very early age, or all of a sudden you felt a need of certain, you saw someone cribbing or anything, any certain incident that propelled you?
I was forced to do medical education.
Okay, sir.
Because all the teachers, society, they used to think the topper should be a doctor. The topper should be a doctor. The topper should be a doctor. Why should he choose any other line?
Okay, sir.
That's why the doctors from the previous era, you find they are the very intelligent people. Now the doctors from these days, why aren't they so intelligent? Because intelligent people, they are choosing other lines also. Not only all intelligent people are going to other non-doctors, but they are choosing, there is a lot of choice now.
So the majority of people choosing their passion skills rather than going on to market skills.
In my 10th standard,
in the class 10.
In the 10th standard, there used to be one teacher who really visited my father's shop. He used to emphasize my father. My father was only 8th class, but he was a very
genuine
father. He was a very genuine father.
Genuine, indeed, honest
for his children. So my teachers used to say, don't force Prem to take medical in 10 plus 1.
Okay.
Then used to be called prep. 10 plus 1 is prep. 10 plus 2 is used to call pre-medical or pre-engineering.
Okay.
Then medical college or my father said, why shouldn't he go to medical science group? He will get good marks. He will get admission to medical college. I don't want him to be a doctor. I want him to be an IAS officer. that is the
At the
doctor
age of
68 or 69.
69.
He was so
Passionate about you.
not passionate. He was so I think good statesman that he can foresee the my caliber or my I think capability. That being a doctor, he will be limited to a particular field only.
Restriction.
But he is made for beyond these lines. He should go beyond these lines so that whole society should get
The benefit of his
his
hard work of
is
the
a hard
early-
work or is a concern for the society, concern for the humanity.
So, what do you feel is the education nowadays moralistic or amoralistic?
Amoralist.
Amoralistic.
Not amoralistic, it is not moral.
Partially.
It is not moralist.
Yeah, but it is not moralistic too.
Like we can
Indeed.
tell you it is neutral now.
It is neutral.
I am not going towards anti.
Exactly.
I am saying that this is not positive attitude because our teachers, our society is now materialistic. So
Exactly.
there is no talk of any human concern, humanity or that. We don't know. Teachers, they talk only syllabus. They want only work to be done. They want only mathematics to be done. But in our days, every time some classwork, some homework, and during those days, during these studies, he used to tell some story, some historical story, some charitable persons, so that the bent of mind was towards some serving the society also.
So, this same cause that I remember when I was young, my grandfather used to tell me stories of freedom fighters, kings and queens, in order to imbibe moral character and characters that could build society at a larger cause. And taking that thought into my motive as an educator at Mother's Paradise School, we have started the School of Tomorrow, where we actually shape not just the kid, but the parents who are the ones who are the flag bearer. They are the ones who are taking decision for the child, those financial decisions that are shaping their childhood and their child earlyhood program. This thing is actually at night, parents are actually telling them stories. We encourage, personally we tell them stories. We make our parents and our kids and our teachers pledge not to watch Hindi cartoons and Hindi programs in order to imbibe all those negative Saas, Bahu and Gharelu serials at their home atmosphere. So these small things, what my Dadu had taught me way back 20 years back when I was very small, might be just 1 or 2 years old, those things have actually helped me shape the curriculum and shape the decision of the parents at large. And I feel the same after talking to you, that how your early childhood program, that your father had taken so much of liberty and so much of pain, undergoing so much strains even after just studying in class 8, and your teachers had been so encouraging in order to make you what you are today. Let us not regret that you aren't an IS officer, but you have more than that. So
I am full of life and I am full praise. I am totally for all the blessings. I always pray to God that He has been very kind to me.
He's not just being kind, but he's being very graceful indeed, sir. And sir, coming on to the next question, sir, how many years have been there in the practice as a doctor of you?
Since 81.
Since 81, and it's 2030. 32 years, more than 3 decades, sir. So, what advice would you give to aspiring students on being a doctor?
If they really want to help humanity, only then they should be. If they want to earn good money, then they should do that. They shouldn't go for this profession.
What do you like to do for the pastime when you are not in office or at your own residence? What do you do, sir?
When I am not office person, but before this my first 10 or 15 years of practice, I was having my indoor clinic, indoor nursing home also.
Okay.
So I was busy with every time busy with the patients.
Means 24 into 7 you were
Yeah,
available.
maybe,
Virtually or
maybe,
non-virtually?
maybe you call it. But after this, for the last 15 or 20 years, I am not keeping any indoor patients. So I am free after my clinic timings. So reading newspapers is my
Hobby.
Newspaper, not newspapers.
Okay.
Not newspaper is my hobby.
But which newspaper that you recommend?
I am for the last 30 years with the Hindustan Times.
Hindustan Times. So you're patriotic towards Hindustan
Not
Times.
patriotic. Not patriotic. This is only a
And for the love of it.
Obsession.
Obsession, okay. So how do you separate yourself mentally from your own job? Like you are engaged at your job every time, even at sitting back home for the next day you are planning virtually in your mind. But how do you separate yourself from being a doctor and from being you as Mr. Prem Kumar Singla at home as an individual? How do you separate those two characters?
This I don't. If I am as a father also I am politician, as a husband I am politician. So I don't mind my.
So you don't have any regrets of being a
No
politician?
regrets. I shouldn't. I think this is huge blessings. For me.
And what is
Me
the
and my
greatest feat